Lyles College of Engineering! Lyles College of Engineering! Lyles College of Engineering!
Hi, my name is Emma Van Fossen and I'm a mechanical engineering major.
Hi, I'm Jacob Lopez. I'm a Geomatics engineering major.
Hi, I'm Maddie and I'm a civil engineering major.
My name is Robert Lopez and I'm a construction management major.
Hi, my name is Samantha Salcedo and I'm an electrical engineering major.
I'm Angel Gonzalez and I'm a computer engineering major.
My name is Alejandra Aleja and I'm a mechanical engineering major.
Hi, my name is Joey Seja and I'm a geomatics engineering major.
Hi, my name is Stephanie Bartel and I'm a civil engineering major.
Hi, I'm Ramandeep Gill and I'm a construction management major.
My name is Desiree Dyson and I'm an electrical engineering major.
Hello, my name is Paris Viet and I am a computer engineering major.
Hello, my name is Kyle Sweeney and I am a mechanical engineering major.
Hi, my name is Justin and I'm a geomatics engineering major.
Hi, my name is Alma Jimenez. I'm a construction management major.
Hello, I'm Daniel Chevy and I'm an electrical engineering major.
Hi, my name is Simi and I'm a mechanical engineering major.
Hello, my name is Joshua Mallory and I'm a construction management major.
I am Joshua Conyer. I am a computer engineer of the Lyles College of Engineering.